Dynamics NAV, GP, AX 2009, AX 2012. They are arguably the greatest ERP platforms for on-premise deployments. But we don't live in an on-premise world anymore. Sure, your on-prem deployment of Dynamics, it's cozy, it's reliable. But 2023 just called. 2023 also just sent you 60 phishing emails laced with ransomware. You want to stay on-prem, but you simply can't if you want to be a good steward of your company. The people involved in your original legacy deployment, they're retiring. Retirement, it may be around the corner for you. It's time to retire your legacy system. Here's the reality check. Ransomware, it's at an all-time high. Official Microsoft support for these platforms, it lapsed years ago. And dedicated support professionals for these applications, they've gone the way of the Western. It's time to secure your company's future with Dynamics 365. The cloud extension model means that you'll always have the latest and greatest feature set from Microsoft. You can finally unchain yourself from your legacy customizations and infrastructure. Best of all, you'll enjoy a level of security only possible through the Microsoft Cloud. It's time to sunset your legacy system. Come explore the cloud in Dynamics 365 with Sunrise Technologies.